Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you power off your Xiaomi phone guys. If you want to power off guys your Xiaomi phone, so you can power off it. And guys, now let's see how to power off and guys how to power on Xiaomi phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys. So first of all guys, what will you have to do guys? But before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So it's now time to start video friends. First of all guys, what will you have to do guys? You will have to guys press on guys your power off button. So I we will press on guys power off button guys. This power off button guys, you can see guys, you will have to press here. I will press and guys you can see guys this power off. So I step here to power off. Then guys your phone will power off. So I wait for a while guys, just a minute. Then guys we will on it. So guys now we will on it. Guys again press here guys. You can see am I Android powered by Android. So friends we will have to wait for 5 and 7 seconds. So friends, you can see guys phone has power off and on it. So we will clean it. So are you friends you have understood how to power off Xiaomi phone? So when your phone hang and when your phone do not operate properly, so guys you can power off. So are you friends you have understood how to power off Xiaomi phone? So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Thanks for watching guys.